Tuan-tuan dan puan-puan yang dihormati sekalian, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan selamat sejahtera. Selamat datang ke Majlis Convocation Universiti Teknologi Petronas kali ke-20. Majlis Convocation akan dimulakan sebentar lagi. Majlis memohon kerjasama para hadirin agar mematikan telefon bimbit, tidak mengambil gambar dan tidak merokok di sepanjang majlis ini berlangsung. Untuk makluman semua, kawasan kampus ini telah digazetkan sebagai kawasan larangan merokok. Untuk makluman hadirin, kemudahan bilik air terdapat di bahagian bawah dewan ini. Hadirin boleh menggunakan tangga untuk turun di sebelah kiri dan kanan dewan. Sila pakai pelitup muka, amalkan sanitasi tangan dan kekalkan jarak sekurang-kurangnya 1 meter sepanjang majlis berlangsung. Untuk makluman, dewan ini akan ditutup sebaik sahaja majlis perarakan keluar selesai. Kami juga memohon kerjasama hadirin sekalian untuk meninggalkan dewan sejurus selepas div-div kehormat beredar keluar dari dewan ini. Kerjasama semua didahului dengan ucapan ribuan terima kasih.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 20th Convocation of University Technology Petronas. The convocation ceremony is about to commence. We seek your kind cooperation in switching off your handphones. Please refrain from smoking and taking photographs throughout the ceremony. For your information, the university campus has been gazetted as a non-smoking zone. Restroom facilities are available on the basement level. Please use the stairs on the left and right side of the hall. Throughout the ceremony, please wear your mask, practice good hygiene, and physical distancing of at least 1 meter at all time. For your information, this hall will be closed immediately after the procession is completed. We also seek your cooperation to leave the hall only after the distinguished guests have left. Your kind cooperation is highly appreciated. Thank you.
Perarakan masuk graduan.
Graduating students in procession.
Para hadirin sekalian, sila tumpukan perhatian kepada video keselamatan di layar putih. Terima kasih atas perhatian anda.
Ladies and gentlemen, please pay attention to the safety video in case of emergency.
Welcome to the University Technology Petronas. This is the safety briefing for Chancellor Hall. Please be informed that this building is equipped with an automatic alarm system. Should the alarm be activated, please remain calm. Our staff will investigate to confirm and give further instructions through the public address system. Please observe the exit signs at the doors of this hall. Should there be an emergency, please leave the hall through the nearest door, assemble at the assembly point in front of the hall, and wait for further instructions from our staff. Thank you for your attention.
Perarakan masuk ahli lembaga pengarah, ahli-ahli senat dan ahli-ahli jawatan kuasa pengurusan eksekutif Universiti Teknologi Petronas.
The University Technology Petronas Board of Directors, Senate, and Executive Management Committee members in procession.
Para hadirin diminta berdiri.
Ladies and gentlemen, please rise.
Perarakan utama.
The main procession.
Nyanyian lagu Negaraku.
The National Anthem.
Hadirin dipersilakan duduk.
Ladies and gentlemen, please be seated.
Bacaan doa.
Doa recitation.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala ashrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajma'in. Allahumma ya Rahman ya Rahim, segala pujian hanya bagimu ya Allah, Tuhan yang menguasai seluruh alam. Kami menadah tangan memohon perkenan, semoga kami semua berada dalam keadaan aman di bawah perlindungan dan keredaan Tuhan. Allahumma ya Fattahu ya Alim, kami zahirkan kepadamu segala kesyukuran dalam ketaatan atas izin dan limpah kurniaan, memudahkan segala perkara dan urusan. Moga Majlis Convocation UTP kali yang ke-20 dapat dijalankan tanpa sebarang kecacatan. Limpahkanlah segala nikmat dan kesenangan kepada semua penerima anugerah dan graduan yang diraikan. Moga dapat membawa kebahagiaan dan kesejahteraan di dunia dan di hari akhirat dengan pahala yang berpanjangan. Allahumma ya Aziz ya Jabbar, dalam apa jua ujian dan dugaan, kami memohon dikuatkan iman dan ketakwaan, menerima dengan penuh keredaan, mengharap dengan penuh keinsafan. Kami memohon diangkat segala bala dan pandemik COVID-19 yang menggusarkan, dikurniakan kembali kesembuhan dan kekuatan. Sesungguhnya kami beriman bahawa segala kekuasaan adalah milik-Mu wahai Tuhan. Allahumma ya Dzal Jalali wal Ikram, buat para penerima anugerah dan graduan selepas beberapa tahun berjuang dan berjihad mencari ilmu dengan penuh kesabaran dan akhirnya berjaya menggenggam segulung kejayaan, kami memohon agar dikekalkan buat mereka kecemerlangan, menjadi insan yang berbudi dan berbakti kepada ibu bapa, masyarakat dan negara seperti yang diharapkan. Moga segala usaha ini diterima sebagai ibadah kepada Tuhan. Allahumma ya Hannan ya Mannan, buat akhirnya kami juga memohon agar dilimpahkan rahmat dan belas ihsan kepada barisan tenaga pensyarah dan kaki tangan yang mendidik dan menjaga anak-anak ini dengan penuh keikhlasan. Engkau rahmatilah ibu bapa yang telah berkorban demi memastikan anak-anak ini memperolehi kejayaan. Engkau bantulah institusi ini agar terus mampu melahirkan graduan yang cemerlang, inovatif dan kreatif, penuh dengan keazaman. Lindungilah negara ini daripada sebarang kemelut kekacauan, dipelihara seluruh pemimpin dan rakyat dalam keadaan dan kemakmuran. Sesungguhnya hanya kepada Engkaulah Tuhan yang kami sembah dan kami mohon pertolongan. Rabbana ighfir lana wa li ikhwanina alladhina sabaquna bil iman wa la taj'al fi qulubina ghillan lil ladzina amanu Rabbana innaka ra'ufur rahim. Rabbana atina fid dunya hasanah wa fil akhirati hasanah wa qina adzaban nar. Wa sallallahu ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam. Walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.
Majlis mempersilakan Profesor T.S. Dr. Muhammad Ibrahim Abdul Muttalib, Naib Chancellor Universiti Teknologi Petronas untuk menyampaikan ucapan alu-aluan.
We would like to invite Professor T.S. Dr. Muhammad Ibrahim Abdul Muttalib, Vice Chancellor of Universiti Teknologi Petronas, to deliver his welcoming speech.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yang berusaha Encik Bacuk Pilong, Pengerusi Lembaga Pengarah Universiti Teknologi Petronas, ahli-ahli Lembaga Pengarah UTP, ahli-ahli Senat, ahli-ahli Jawatan Kuasa Pengurusan Universiti, Div-Div Kehormat, Barisan Kepimpinan Petronas, wakil-wakil universiti, rakan-rakan industri dan para alumni yang menyaksikan majlis ini secara maya dan yang diraikan, para graduan UTP serta ibu bapa dan keluarga yang dikasihi sekalian. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. Dengan lafaz Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin, marilah kita bersama-sama memanjatkan kesyukuran kehadrat Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala kerana dengan izin dan rahmatnya juga kita telah dapat bertemu dan berkumpul di Dewan Chancellor Universiti Teknologi Petronas sempena meraihkan kejayaan para graduan kita pada hari ini. Majlis Convocation yang ditangguhkan pada tahun lepas disebabkan oleh pandemik COVID-19, alhamdulillah telah dapat dijalankan pada hari ini dalam norma baru, di mana kita akan menyaksikan seramai 1,732 graduan yang telah berjaya menamatkan pembelajaran mereka pada tahun 2020. Setinggi-tinggi tahniah saya ucapkan kepada graduan kelas 2020. Saya juga ingin merakamkan setinggi-tinggi penghargaan kepada semua yang hadir pada hari ini. Pihak universiti sangat berbesar hati menerima semua tetamu dan berharap hari ini menjadi satu hari yang bermakna buat semua. Sukacita juga saya ingin memaklumkan Yang Mulia Datuk Tengku Muhammad Taufik Tengku Aziz, Presiden dan Ketua Pegawai Eksekutif Kumpulan Petronas, dan yang berbahagia Tan Sri Zahrah Ibrahim, Ahli Lembaga Pengarah Petronas, telah dimasyurkan sebagai Pro-Chancellor Universiti Teknologi Petronas pada sidang pertama Majlis Convocation ini. Yang berusaha Tuan Pengerusi Lembaga Pengarah, para graduan, tuan-tuan dan puan-puan yang dihormati sekalian, daripada jumlah 1,732 graduan kali ini, 1,467 adalah penerima ijazah sarjana muda bagi 11 program akademik. Meskipun diasak pelbagai cabaran disebabkan oleh pandemik yang melanda, para graduan sarjana muda UTP masih berjaya mengekalkan kecemerlangan mereka, di mana mereka yang mencapai kelas pertama dan kelas kedua atas masih menjangkaui 80%. Tahun 2020 juga menyaksikan seramai 266 graduan pasca siswaza yang terdiri daripada 176 penerima ijazah sarjana dan 90 penerima ijazah kedoktoran. Untuk makluman juga, seramai 184 graduan tahun 2020 merupakan graduan antarabangsa daripada 30 buah negara. Kejayaan para graduan yang kita raikan pada hari ini adalah selari dengan pencapaian UTP sebagai salah sebuah universiti terbaik di Malaysia. Segala kepayahan dan penat lelah yang telah para graduan lalui akhirnya membuahkan kejayaan. Sesungguhnya anda semua adalah kebanggaan kami. Sekali lagi, tahniah dan syabas diucapkan. Yang berusaha Tuan Pengerusi Lembaga Pengarah, para graduan tuan-tuan dan puan-puan yang dihormati sekalian. Tahun 2020 dan 2021 menyaksikan kecemerlangan UTP di peringkat kebangsaan dan antarabangsa terus menyerlah. Bakal menjangkau usia penubuhannya yang ke-25 tahun menjelang tahun 2022. UTP telah menempa kejayaan dan terus melakar namanya di persada dunia. Ini terbukti apabila agensi penarafan antarabangsa Quad Corridor Siemens telah menyenaraikan UTP di kedudukan ke-72 di rantau Asia. Pencapaian ini diperkukuhkan lagi apabila Times Higher Education menyenaraikan UTP di kedudukan 60 terbaik di kalangan universiti di dalam developing economies. Seterusnya menyenaraikan UTP di sekaligus menjadikan UTP di antara 100 universiti terbaik di rantau Asia. UTP juga berbangga kerana semua program yang ditawarkan telah tersenarai dalam ranking terbaik dunia oleh QS World University Ranking mengikut subjek 2021. Program kejuruteraan petroleum serta kejuruteraan mineral dan perlombongan tersenarai di dalam ranking 50 teratas dan menjadi tempat pertama di peringkat kebangsaan. Selain itu, UTP turut mengekalkan penarafan 6 bintang tahap prestasi tertinggi di dalam MIRA, Malaysian Research Assessment, bagi penyelidikan pembangunan dan program pengkomersialannya, serta telah mencapai status 6 bintang atau cemerlang dalam setara, yakni penarafan bersepadu institusi pendidikan tinggi Malaysia bagi kaedah pengajaran, penyelidikan dan perkhidmatannya. Semua pengiktirafan ini meningkatkan kebolehpasaran pelajar UTP sekaligus menaikkan imej universiti di pesada dunia serta menarik rakan-rakan industri kami untuk terus memberi sokongan dan menaja pelajar UTP. Yang berusaha Tuan Pengerusi Lembaga Pengarah, para graduan, tuan-tuan dan puan-puan yang dihormati sekalian. Kejayaan sesebuah universiti bukan sahaja diukur melalui pencapaian dari segi rankings maupun ratings, tetapi juga kepada keupayaan untuk melahirkan graduan yang kompetitif, berdaya saing, berinovasi serta memiliki 7 ciri-ciri serba boleh yang dipelopori oleh UTP sejak penubuhannya. Untuk tujuan ini, UTP memastikan agar kesemua pelajar kami terlibat dalam aktiviti co-curriculum dan menjadi ahli kelab dan persatuan di kampus bagi membina kemahiran insaniah yang lebih jitu. UTP juga amat menekankan aktiviti khidmat masyarakat di kalangan pelajar-pelajarnya bagi membantu mereka yang memerlukan. Aktiviti-aktiviti ini diharap dapat menerapkan sifat lebih empati dan rendah diri terhadap semua golongan masyarakat. Sesungguhnya dengan memberi tidak akan mengurangkan apa yang ada, malah kehidupan yang kita jalani sudah tentunya akan lebih memberi erti. You will find meaning in life by giving to others. Pihak universiti juga memberi galakan kepada pelajar UTP untuk bersaing di pesada nasional dan antarabangsa. Keupayaan pelajar-pelajar ini turut terselah di beberapa pertandingan di peringkat kebangsaan dan antarabangsa di mana mereka telah mencipta kejayaan yang amat membanggakan. Antaranya, Johan bagi kategori Cup, Bowl dan Plate untuk pasukan UTP Drillers dan UTP Drillers Alumni di Kejohanan Rugby UTP 7/11/2020. Memenangi anugerah Magic University Startup Challenge 2020 untuk 2 pasukan UTP Technopreneurship. Menjadi naib Johan di dalam Kejohanan Petrol Bowl Dunia. Di kejohanan ini, UTP telah berjaya melakar sejarah dengan kemenangan ini apabila Persatuan Jurutera Petroleum Universiti Teknologi Petronas menjadi pasukan pertama dari Malaysia dan dari rantau Asia Pasifik yang telah berjaya mara ke peringkat akhir walaupun memenangi naib juara di kejohanan ini. UTP menjadi naib johan untuk 3 pelajar program ijazah pengurusan perniagaan di dalam pertandingan #MyDuitStory video pendek bertajuk Make Yours. Menjadi naib juara dalam cabaran Lori Dek 2021 Persatuan Geosains dan Jurutera Eropah yang berprestij bagi pasukan New Prospect Energy. Menerima anugerah penghargaan khas Ketua Pengarah Pendidikan Tinggi di Anugerah Tokoh Siswa KPT 2020 bagi UTP Performing Arts Group dan berbagai-bagai lagi. Tahniah saya ucapkan. Yang berusaha, Tuan Pengerusi Lembaga Pengarah, tuan-tuan dan puan-puan yang dihormati sekalian. Please allow me to now address the graduating class of 2020. My dear graduates, it has indeed been a remarkable journey, and we have truly enjoyed having you with us over the past 4 to 5 years. Today will be the last time you walk into this magnificent chancellor as a UTP student. When you leave, you will leave as an alumni. You will say goodbye to a period in your life that can never be repeated and will always be remembered. You will now be part of more than 20,000 alumni that the university has produced since 2001. We are aware that your final year has been a tough one. The pandemic COVID-19 came out of nowhere and hit us all very hard. But you have been strong, resilient, and you are prepared for this, for success and for your future. Challenging times are the times that defines us because they challenge us to prove ourselves. You have moved forward with courage, despite the difficulties, and look where you are now. In the words of Michelle Obama, you must understand that your experience and overcoming adversity is actually one of your greatest assets. Each and every one of you is an inspiration, and I hope that your time in UTP has provided you with enriching, rewarding, and transformative learning experiences, so much so that you will pay it forward to your juniors and others around you. When you go out to the world, go out with the virtues and vigor that UTP has instilled in you. The world now is fast-paced. Only by enhancing your curiosity and intellectual bandwidth can you spur innovation and remain ahead in the race. But let that race be worthwhile. Let it ignite your passion and leave you happy and contented. And let it impact others around you as well. And it doesn't matter what role you undertake, but you will do it with integrity and dignity, for the legacy that you leave will inspire others to achieve greatness with honesty and righteousness. Think of your loved ones and the ramifications that dishonesty and corruption bring, and I implore all of you to please stay away from anything that would destroy you and tarnish you and your family's reputation. In the long term, honesty and integrity will always pay. We are proud of you, and we acknowledge and celebrate you. You have made remarkable strides during your years in UTP, and we applaud you for always being the best, making valuable contributions to the university community, upholding our mission and vision, and embody our core values in your behavior. Once again, congratulations to the class of 2020 and to your nearest and dearest who have supported you in this learning journey. We wish you every success. All the best for your future endeavors, and I hope to see you again, giving back to UTP, to society, and ultimately to the world. Once again, congratulations to all of you. Yang berusaha, Tuan Pengerusi Lembaga Pengarah, para graduan, tuan-tuan dan puan-puan yang dihormati sekalian, Sekali lagi bagi pihak universiti, saya ingin merakamkan setinggi-tinggi penghargaan kepada Yang Berusaha Encik Bachok Pilong, Pengerusi Lembaga Pengarah Universiti Teknologi Petronas, Lembaga Pengarah UTP dan pengurusan Petronas atas sokongan, bimbingan dan inspirasi kepada kami semua di UTP. Kepada semua warga kerja universiti, terima kasih yang tidak terhingga di atas segala kesetiaan, komitmen dan dedikasi anda. Segala pencapaian UTP sehingga kini tidak akan dapat dicapai tanpa sokongan padu dari anda semua demi merealisasikan visi dan misi universiti yang kita sama-sama cintai ini. Semoga segala sumbangan kita ini diterima sebagai usaha untuk memartabatkan ilmu bagi memperkasakan bangsa dan negara dan mendapat ganjaran yang setimpal dari Allah Subhanahu wa taala. Akhir sekali, terima kasih semua yang telah bekerja keras bagi memastikan kejayaan Majlis Convocation UTP kali ke-20 ini. Sekian, wabillahi taufik wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Pengisytiharan persidangan semula Majlis Convocation kali ke-20 oleh Yang Berusaha Pengerusi Lembaga Pengarah.
The reconvene of the 20th convocation ceremony by Yang Berusaha Chairman Board of Directors.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dengan sukacitanya saya mengisytiharkan Majlis Convocation Universiti Teknologi Petronas kali ke-20 bersidang semula.
Upacara penganugerahan Ijazah Sarjana Muda.
Conferment of the bachelor's degree.
Penganugerahan Ijazah Sarjana Muda Sistem Maklumat dengan Kepujian.
Conferment of the Bachelor of Information System with Honours.
Yang Berusaha Pengerusi Lembaga Pengarah dengan segala hormatnya dipersilakan untuk menganugerahkan Ijazah Sarjana Muda Sistem Maklumat dengan Kepujian kepada graduan yang telah memenuhi segala syarat serta lulus peperiksaan yang ditetapkan oleh universiti.
Dengan kuasa yang diberikan, saya anugerahkan Ijazah Sarjana Muda Sistem Maklumat dengan Kepujian kepada graduan yang telah memenuhi segala syarat serta lulus peperiksaan yang ditetapkan oleh universiti.
Atikah Khalid, Marina Mahathir, Muhammad Safaruddin Muhammad Nazri, Nik Nur Lydia Nik Muhammad Hashim, Nur Khalis Ahmad Rashidi, Nur Nadira Shamsani, Suhaila Badaruddin, Shazwana Azmi, To Jingyi, Zulaika Norbatrisha Zakir Ali, Ainur Liana Muhammad Idris, Afika Muhammad Syahid. Ahmad Farid Muhammad Razali. Aida Najwa Ahmad. Aida Nur Sabrina Isma Ishak. Aiman Azlan. Ain Najwa Nazaruddin. Ain Sabrina. Aina Farihah Muhammad Tarmizi. Alia Azman. Aliza Sharina Sulaiman. Amin Nur Izwan Nur Zaidi. Arif Ayub. Arif Hazman Bahrum. Arisa Sofia Samsudin. Atira Azmi. Danish Khalid Ahmad Farwis. Danul Shantini and Sundaram. Druselin Justina Susi Di Cruz. Hanisha Asnol. Harith Hazik Hamidun. Hazirah Baharadin. Kamshira Nazain Kamarul Zaman. Kashwinpal Singh P. Harpal Singh. Lukman Roshdi Shahrir. Marina Batrisha Abdul Majid. Muhammad Nur Syahmi Sa'dan. Muhammad Daniel Nazif Supian. Muhammad Zairi Zulkifli. Muhammad Iqbar Mazlan. Muhammad Faris Muhammad Idrus. Muhammad Hakimi Abdul Munir. Muhammad Hazman Yaakob. Muhammad Hazrin Halmi. Muhammad Kaisan Muhammad Hanif. Nik Izrin Hazira Nik Rosli. Nur Ain Mawardah Nur Nazaruddin. Nur Maisarah Muhammad Hisham. Nur Adila Zulkarnain. Nur Afifah Hani Muhammad Zuki. Nur Atirah Khairil Anwar. Nur Diana Muhammad Arif. Nur Farah Jazlin Muhammad Jafri. Nur Maisarah Nizam. Nur Nadirah Natasha Baharudin. Nur Nasha Ayuni Muhammad Samlan. Nur Aina Akilah Zainal Abidin. Nur Aliyah Abdul Rahim. Nurin Izati Khairul Fitri. Nurhani Izati Kamarul Zaman. Nurin Ilya Muhammad Zahari. Nur Najwa Syuhada Dahlil Sabri. Nurul Diana Jamaluddin. Nurul Syahirah Nur Azizi. Nur Zulaika Zulkifli. Phoebe Ling Yulin. Rushaidi Akmal Muhammad Faraish. Syafiq Daniel Muhammad Nizam. Shipra Esther. Siti Nur Afifah Mahathir Alam Shah. Sharafina Hashmilail. Said Ahmad Kashafi Said Aiduddin. TV Yarupan Ramu. Wan Muzamil Wan Johari. Wan Sofina Azmi. Yuli Yun. Ahmad Akram Zulfikar Ahmad Zahani. Ahmad Masri Zainul. Batrisya Rizwadi Irwan. Hasanul Zaman Muhammad Yunus. Khairina Humaira Hishaful Bahri. Muhammad Ashraf Aiman Muhammad Noh. Noah Tong Sin Wee. Nurin Awanis Nur Azam. Sharvita Ramarwa. Dan Sri Santa Sriti Robert.
Makluman Anugerah Pelajar Antarabangsa Terbaik dan Anugerah Chancellor.
The announcement of Best International Students Award and the Chancellor Awards.
Anugerah Chancellor merupakan anugerah tertinggi universiti kepada graduan. Anugerah ini melambangkan keunggulan graduan dalam pelbagai bidang termasuk kecemerlangan dalam bidang akademik, ketokohan dalam bidang kepimpinan serta keterselahan dalam aktiviti-aktiviti co-curriculum semasa menuntut di universiti ini.
The Chancellor Award is the most prestigious award awarded to the graduates. The award symbolizes the graduates' excellence in various fields which include academic excellence, leadership, as well as exceptional achievement in co-curricular activities.
Pada sidang sebelum ini, pihak universiti telah mengurniakan Anugerah Pelajar Antarabangsa Terbaik dan anugerah-anugerah Chancellor.
During the earlier sessions, the university has awarded the Best International Student Award and the Chancellor Awards to the following recipients.
Anugerah Pelajar Sarjana Muda Antarabangsa Terbaik Joseph Mabur Agani Maniel, Ijazah Sarjana Muda Teknologi Maklumat dengan kepujian. Anugerah Chancellor Gangsa Toh Jian Heng, Ijazah Sarjana Muda Kejuruteraan Kimia dengan kepujian. Anugerah Chancellor Perak Sates Kumar Sandasegaran, Ijazah Sarjana Muda Sains Petroleum Geoscience dengan kepujian. Dan Anugerah Chancellor Emas Ayu Syahira Salim, Ijazah Sarjana Muda Teknologi Maklumat dengan kepujian. Ucapan oleh wakil graduan.
Speech by the graduates' representative.
Graduan merupakan penerima anugerah Naib Chancellor Gangsa.
The graduate is the Vice Chancellor's Bronze Award recipient.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you, Master of Ceremony. Yang bersaha, Encik Bacu Pilong, Pengerusi Lembaga Pengarah Universiti Teknologi Petronas. Yang bersaha, Profesor T.S. Dr. Muhammad Ibrahim Abdul Muttalib, Naib Chancellor Universiti Teknologi Petronas. Ahli-ahli Lembaga Pengarah Universiti, ahli-ahli Senat dan Pengurusan UTP, para pensyarah dan kaki tangan Universiti Teknologi Petronas, para ibu bapa, tuan-tuan, puan-puan serta sahabat-sahabat seperjuangan sekalian. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat tengah hari dan salam sejahtera. Hello class of 2020. First and foremost, syukur alhamdulillah to be standing here today with all of you. Look at where we are now. We have reached another milestone in our lives. We have made it. So give us all a round of applause. This is my first time being in actual room presenting live, not virtually, in front of more than 50 people ever since the pandemic started. So, wow, I apologize if I sound a bit nervous. Today, we are all here to rejoice our accomplishments of becoming graduates from the prestigious University Technology Petronas. I am deeply saddened by the news of the flash flood, and my heart goes to those who are affected. I know it's not an easy journey to come here today and to feel the joy in celebrating our achievement. Plus, it also has been tough for all of us amidst the global pandemic. The pandemic, as we speak, is challenging old methods, and we are forced to adapt to the new norm. I am standing here to remind you that despite all the hardships that came and that will come, we still managed to overcome all the challenges arriving to this moment today. Let's pat ourselves on the back as we deserve it. Some of us may have had a smooth journey in completing our studies. However, that is not the case for all of us. Because, believe me when I say that, I've seen it with my own eyes how there were people who struggle in their journey. But, on a second thought, I take that back. I believe no one have had a smooth journey ever. We all struggle, and remember, our struggles are valid, whatever it may be. Some may be because of strained relationship with family or friends, some due to financial constraint, or some simply finding the balance between mental health and excelling academically. Wait, what is even a balance between those two? Okay, look, even for myself, I also had struggled with myself too. And though I'm standing right here in front of you today, I once struggled with self-confidence, or technically, as how the psychologists will coin it, of having inferiority complex. I know this will come off as cliche, but I was just an average girl from an average school. I was shy and petrified of speaking in front of big crowds like this one. I remember there was one time I was being called out in a drama class during foundation and was forced to express I love you in 5 different emotions. I stood there, frozen, and in my head, I was already thinking of ways to get out of that God-forsaken place. Why will I ever join a drama class knowing I can't do this kind of thing? Anyway, what I wanted to say is, it was never easy for me to be expressive or to publicly show my emotions, though being emotional myself. But I'm on the stage today doing both, and I owe it to my years here in UTP. Throughout my journey completing my studies, I had days where I burned out. I would find ways to procrastinate to the point where even internalizing a single PowerPoint slide felt like too much. I had to force myself to finish one slide by having this in mind. If habis satu slide, I can reward myself dengan satu lagu. There were also days where I would fall victim to escapism. I would escape from finishing what I had to finish, like assignments or projects. I would mindlessly drive to Ipoh and jalan-jalan, or simply something much more relatable to all of you here. I will just sleep the whole day to hibernate, or sometimes I will just watch K-dramas to the point where I miss class the next morning. Okay, I think that's enough of shooting myself in the foot. But seriously, I'm sure you are all getting my point here. We are all just human. I know that I'm not the only one that has faced this kind of situations. Everyone does, and that's okay. There will always be days you don't quite feel like yourself, and that's okay. Having a mindset that you constantly need to make progress in your day-to-day life will only drain you. At the end, it is not about proving yourself relative to others, but relative to you. We all have our ways to cope, and look, we are all here today for the same reason, and we survive. You know, in retrospect, I don't even know why I took information system. It was like a shot in the dark, not knowing whether I would hit the target. But actually, at the same time, I don't even know what my target was in the first place. So imagine, prior to UTP, when I was in high school, I got carried away and lost my grip on passions and such. I wasn't focusing on my studies, so I don't know what it is that I wanted to be. So I felt lost. And that feeling was amplified by the fact that my sister was diagnosed with stage 3 cancer. I was the only one who was very close to her in those critical moments, as I'm her personal chauffeur to chemotherapy, and it was actually illegal for me to drive. Until today, she is, Aklili Khalid, still one of the strongest women I've ever known. And her being also an alumnus of this university inspired me to embark on this beautiful journey in UTP, though not knowing I would one day discover my passion here. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank my parents, Khalid bin Akil and Siti Shajara, my family, my sisters, my uncle, Dr. Rajamali, who believed in me and supported me throughout this journey. I always live by a saying from my mother that goes, tak perlu buat mak bangga, cukup sekadar buat mak happy. So, Ika buat mak happy tak hari ni? I believe everyone also make their parents happy today. Lastly, how can I end this speech without ever thanking University Technology Petronas for bringing out the best in me? Thank you for encouraging students to apply for internship abroad, which I did in Japan, and it was also one of the turning points in my life. It took me out of my comfort zone and made me realize all my potential. But that's another story for another day. This beautiful journey of mine in UTP was set beautifully when I had all the lecturers that guided me through it all. A special thank you to Dr. Muhammad Hilmi Hassan, who has been a great supervisor for my final year project, which led me to secure a lot of job opportunities. To all my beloved friends, especially Alia, who has always been there beside me, all those laughter and tears we shared together, it was all worth it. To Zulaika, Nick, Farhan, Adila, Naza, Hazrin, Afika, Sabrina, and Nurin, who has been the main person that led me to where I'm standing today. And honestly, I'm very proud of you guys. And to my girlfriends who I grew up with, and to the people that I crossed paths with, you know who you are. Know that I appreciate and will never forget each and every one of you. If I had to choose a phase in life that I want to go through again, it will be my university days. I cherish my time here. I will never forget how this place has shaped me, and I'm excited for what the future holds for us. I'll end with this. Never ever doubt yourself. If you ever do, look at where we are now. I don't think anyone could ever doubt what we are capable of. We overcome trauma and challenges to arrive to this moment. Overcoming the global pandemic for once and personal trauma, no matter how big or small, that you are silently fighting. For those who have been forged in fire, can be powerful. If you reflect back in the past few years, you realize that your talent, knowledge, and hard work is preparing you for something much bigger than just a bachelor, and will serve you well in years to come. Congratulations, UTPN. Sekian, wabillahi taufiq wa hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Kita nak buat apa hari ni?
Mohlah kita berpantun ya, yuk.
Mohlah kita berpamer.
Pergi bertandang rumah Wan Lebo, sayur dimakan bersama ubi. Makanlah nasi ulam bucok bau, sayur dimakan bersama ubi. Semua datang darilah jauh berkumpul di Dewan UTP. Semuanya datang darilah jauh berkumpul di Dewan UTP. Pegang-pegang pisang, pisang masak layu, jatuh dalam kubang sambo baboyu. Umbur-umburnya belalang kedek-kedek, siapa buah ingoran tu kena cubit. Balaslah pantun yuk.
Tak boleh. Mika start
Boleh.
Di bertandang rombongan lebo, singgah sebentar di pekan bota. Di bertandang rombongan lebo, singgah sebentar di pekan bota. Selamat datang tuan-puan, semua saya sambut dengan gembira. Selamat datang tuan-puan, semua saya sambut dengan gembira.
Perang-perang pisang, pisang masak layu, jatuh dalam kubang sama baboyu. Umbur-umburnya belalang kedek-kedek, siapa buah ingoran tu kena cubit.
Masuk.
Ikut Wan Lebo tanam keladi, bilalah hujan tanahnya basah. Ikut Wan Lebo tanam keladi, bilalah hujan tanahnya basah.
Kita beramai kumpul di sini, raih anak terima ijazah. Kita beramai kumpul di sini, raih anaklah terima ijazah.
Pegang-pegang pisang, pisang masak layu, jatuh dalam kubang sama baboyu. Umbur-umburnya belalang kedek-kedek, siapa buah ingoran tu kena cubit. Ziad masuk, Ziad.
Wah. Mari.
Lagi. Wah, sedap.
Sedap kau mau bergendang ya.
Lagi sekali. Pegang-pegang pisang, pisang masak layu, jatuh dalam kubang sama baboyu. Umbur-umburnya belalang kedek-kedek, siapa buah ingoran tu kena cubit. Pegang-pegang pisang, pisang masak layu, jatuh dalam kubang sama baboyu. Umbur
Sama-sama lah ya, dah nak habis dah. Ya, betul.
Yang Berusaha Pengerusi Lembaga Pengarah dengan segala hormatnya dipersilakan untuk menyampaikan ucapan.
We would like to invite Yang Berusaha Chairman, Board of Directors to deliver his speech.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. Yang Berusaha Profesor T.S. Dr. Muhammad Ibrahim Abdul Muttalib, Naib Chancellor Universiti Teknologi Petronas, ahli-ahli lembaga pengarah UTP, ahli-ahli Senat, ahli-ahli jawatan kuasa pengurusan universiti, Div kehormat, barisan kepimpinan Petronas, wakil-wakil universiti, rakan-rakan industri dan para alumni yang menyaksikan majlis ini secara maya, dan yang diraikan para graduan UTP serta ibu bapa dan keluarga yang dikasihi sekalian. Alhamdulillah, segala puji dan syukur hanyalah untuk Allah Subhanahu wa taala, kerana dengan limpah kurnia serta izinnya jua dapat kita bersama-sama hadir ke majlis convocation Universiti Teknologi Petronas kali yang ke-20. Untuk para graduan, sesungguhnya hari ini adalah hari yang amat bermakna. Anda telah mencapai kejayaan dalam pengajian anda dan kini merupakan graduan dari salah sebuah universiti swasta terbaik di Malaysia. Saya percaya bahawa segala pengalaman yang ditimba di sini akan dapat menjadi panduan dalam kehidupan anda selepas ini. Adalah menjadi harapan kami agar setiap graduan UTP akan menggalas tanggungjawab untuk menyumbang kepada kesejahteraan masyarakat serta memimpin diri dan organisasi bagi mencapai hasrat pembangunan negara yang kita cintai ini. Tuan-tuan dan puan-puan sekalian, pada hari ini selepas 24 tahun berlalu, saya amat berbesar hati dengan kejayaan yang dicapai UTP. UTP merupakan satu kebanggaan kepada Petronas dan kami sentiasa menyokong agenda yang dibawa oleh UTP. Bermula sejak penubuhannya pada tahun 1997, UTP telah melahirkan lebih daripada 19,000 graduan dari 50 negara. Kini, UTP mempunyai seramai 6,000 pelajar dan hampir 70% daripada tenaga akademik UTP memiliki ijazah kedoktoran. Izinkan saya meneruskan ucapan dalam bahasa Inggeris. Graduating class of 2020, today, I congratulate you on your success. You have achieved a milestone in your life. It is evidence of your personal commitment, of your pride, and of your sense of purpose too. I hope you find similar purpose and meaning in everything that you do. You work hard to reach this day. Please savor this moment with your family and loved ones. And savor for a second too that education is a privilege. This qualification that you have received is from the University of High Academic Standing and Reputation. Universiti Teknologi Petronas is Malaysia's top private university, one of Malaysia's most renowned institutions for tertiary education. UTP is the top-ranking private university in Malaysia according to the Times Higher Education, THE, Emerging Economies Ranking 2022, and UTP is successfully placed as second among Malaysian universities. In only 24 years after its establishment, UTP has received national and international recognition and improved significantly in both national and international rankings. It was reported that 90% of graduates found jobs within 6 months of graduation. So, do keep in mind that you have had a privileged education. With that privilege comes responsibility and courage. The courage to pursue your goals for the education you have received is a stepping stone to a successful career. With a world and a workplace that is constantly evolving, competent professionals can transform the current work processes with new ways of working and thinking. Today's life challenges are very, very real and more wide-ranging than we ever thought possible. Be prepared to go beyond your acquired knowledge in order to stay competitive in companies and organizations that you will work for. You will also learn to fail, and you must summon the courage to get up, grow stronger, and be yourself better. It is vital that you always remember and practice the positive values that this university has inculcated in you. From today, you will face many choices in life, both personally and professionally. You will need to do what is right for you. Be honest and true to every part of your life, to yourself, and to your community. As ambassadors to this university, our name and reputation lie in your hands. And your name and reputation lie in what matters to you and what you most value. Build honest relationship. Trust in yourself and others. Don't promise what you cannot deliver. Let me share with you a story about Johnny Kim, a Silver Star awarded Navy SEAL, Harvard-educated doctor, and a NASA astronaut. Kim is a first-generation Korean American, born in Los Angeles to parents who immigrated to the US from South Korea in search of a better future for the children. Despite of the accomplishment to come, he struggled with insecurity growing up. He had a difficult childhood and hard times at school, but made a bold move to turn things around. He left his comfort zone and found his odyssey enrolling in Navy SEAL. With grit and perseverance, he made it through the grueling SEAL training, made the cut for the elite team, and went on to serve as a combat medic, sniper, navigator, and point man on more than 100 combat operations over 2 deployments to the Middle East. He went on to earn a degree in mathematics from the University of San Diego in 2012 and his doctorate in medicine from Howard in 2016. He was a year into residency at Massachusetts General Hospital when he learned that he had been selected out of a pool of 18,000 applicants to become a NASA astronaut. And the rest is history. What got me about this story is of an immigrant coming to build a new life for himself and turning his life around. He was asked whether he had ever experienced self-doubt, and he replied that it is very human to doubt yourself. Sound familiar with Atika's story? He also said that everyone is capable of so much more than they think they are. And I echo his sentiments because in doing so, he is being honest with himself, and he challenged himself and believed that we are all a lot stronger and more capable than we really know. All his achievements taught him a lot about how to be a human and having a singular focus to make an impact, to do public service, and he hopes that he can inspire the next generation to pay it forward. You can never have an impact on society if you have not changed yourselves. Great peacemakers are all people of integrity and honesty. Graduating class of 2020, ladies and gentlemen, we live in an environment that is volatile, unpredictable, complex, and ambiguous. VUCA world. This acronym, first used in 1987, draws on the leadership theories of Warren Bennis and Bert Nanus to describe the expected state of general conditions and situations. Yes, more than 30 years later, our environment is still VUCA. You will therefore need to always be ready for the unexpected. The rate of changing is accelerating. The pace will continue to do so. We have yet to fully comprehend the digital revolution and its true impact on our lives. Therefore, to face whatever is coming, your outlook needs to be open and modern. You must be agile to adapt to any given circumstances at any time. Adaptability is especially important in setting goals. Learn new ways to build confidence and composure in dealing with people, handling multiple tasks, and optimizing use of your time. As you persevere to set your own example and to achieve success in life, it is vital to remember not to give in to anything that you are not or be someone who you are not. And never forget all the people who got you to where you are today. So continue that thread of love and care. Be honest, be kind, be compassionate. Every single person in your life has touched a part of you that makes you who you are today. Graduating class of 2020, ladies and gentlemen, this is also my opportunity to express my gratitude to my colleagues at UTP for their commitment and dedication in nurturing our future generations. This university has traveled far to become one of top 100 universities in Asia. Let me conclude by congratulating all the graduates again. We are very proud of your achievement. Your future is in your hands now. So commit to excellence and embrace the values of integrity, professionalism, loyalty, and cohesiveness as your guiding principle. Here begins the next chapter of your life. So page by page, write it well. Para hadirin yang dihormati sekalian, saya sekali lagi mengucapkan syabas kepada para graduan. warga UTP dan terima kasih kepada ibu bapa di atas pengorbanan tuan-tuan dan puan-puan. Sekian, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Para graduan diminta berdiri.
All graduates, please rise.
Majlis dengan ini mengumumkan graduan kelas 2020 sebagai alumni Universiti Teknologi Petronas.
Graduate class of 2020, you are now a proud alumni of University Technology Petronas. Congratulations.
Alumni dipersilakan duduk.
Alumni, please be seated.
Persembahan daripada pelajar-pelajar Universiti Teknologi Petronas.
Performances by the students of University Technology Petronas.
Bila bertalu rentak di kalbu, hasrat yang tersirat semakin kuburu. Bila bergema laungan gempita, harapan menjalan hatiku berganda. Gemuruh jiwa, semangat membara, dari puncak ingin ke angkasa, berkalungkan bintang berkelibat, menyala jauh dari yang biasa. I want all of you to stand up and let's celebrate your victory today. Stand up and sing with me, come on. Bila bertalu rentak di kalbu, yang tersirat semakin kuburu. Bila bergema lautan gempita, harapan menyala hatiku come on. Gemuruh jiwa, semangat membara, dari puncak ingin ke angkasa, berkalungkan bintang bergelibat, menyala jauh dari yang biasa. Ungkapan ini bukan sekadar bermimpi. I hear you guys, come on, sing along with me. Whoa. Segalanya pastikan terbukti nanti. Together. Gemuruh jiwa, dari puncak ingin ke angkasa, berkalungkan bintang berkelipat, menyala jauh dari yang biasa. Gemuruh jiwa, semangat membara, dari puncak ingin ke angkasa, berkalungkan bintang berkelipat, menyala jauh dari yang biasa, menyala jauh dari yang biasa.
Hi, my name is Ayu Syahira Salim. I'm from Miri, Sarawak. I have 6 siblings. I studied in SM Science Miri, Sarawak before, and I graduated as an IT graduate, majoring in software engineering, minoring in business management, and currently pursuing PhD in IT in UTP as well.
Hi, my name is Satish. I'm from Batu Cave, Selangor. I come from a family of 5. My mom is a food hawker, and I have 2 elder brothers and 1 younger sister. So I pursued my secondary days in SMK Taman Selayang, and I'm part of the Petroleum Geosciences class of 2020.
Hello everyone, I'm Tojen Heng. I come from a small town named Batu Pahat in Johor, and my dad is a lorry driver, meanwhile my mom is a full-time housewife. I'm the eldest in the family with 1 younger sister and 1 younger brother, and I graduated from the high school named High School Batu Pahat, and I'm actually coming from the Chemical Engineering class of 2020.
The most memorable spot for me in UTP would be Island 1 Cafe, because I love the uncle that always make me a very good watermelon shake. So she will shake like this, he will shake like this, and then he will give the drink to me. So I feel it's very special. Every time I feel tired, I will go there and I will meet that uncle and ask him for my watermelon.
The dance studio in Block B, because that's a place of me where I get to practice and also rehearse for a lot of events and performances with the group of people who share the same interest and passion in me. That's also a place where I get to meet different talented people from other groups such as gamelan groups, Muhandis, Virtuoso, Petra other than my own group, which is UTP Performing Arts Group.
So to me, it's the Chancellor Complex. Stepping into UTP for the first time and looking at this amazing complex there, it was just mind-blowing. And you know, when you look at Chancellor Complex, it looks so futuristic. So it always gets me thinking of what my future entails.
So we all know that UTP is renowned for being the top private universities in Malaysia. But when we talk about unlocking true potential, I guess it's all about the well-roundedness of the students and also its graduates. In that context, I feel like UTP did emphasize and focuses a lot on the student development activities, where the students get to be involved in a lot of activities of clubs, societies, events, and even competitions inside and outside UTP, or even inside and also outside Malaysia.
UTP provided me with endless opportunities and really supported my personal growth. With the support that I received and also the mentorship I received from UTP, I was able to achieve a lot of things that I could have never imagined. Like for a simple example, I was part of this EAG student chapter, and we actually won the best student chapter worldwide. We were the first Asian university to actually achieve this.
One of the things that UTP transformed me will be my health, because I used to be very big before. It was around 100 plus kg, and now I lose a little bit of weight. Because during my UTP time, I always go with my friends doing sports. For example, I went for swimming. I also went for the gym, and the jogging track is very good if you go to Overpark. So I think it really helps me to build a connection with my friends, and at the same time maintaining my health while performing well in my studies.
I come from a very poor background, so my mom had to work really hard to support the family. So naturally, you know, I just had to work really hard to get good results so that I can secure a scholarship, and thankfully I managed to secure the Gamuda scholarship, and yeah, you know, everything worked out well.
I think the most challenging part will be managing my time, because I have my own business during my degree, and also I went for 38 competitions. So at the same time, I need to maintain my CGPA. So I think that will be a very struggle part of my degree time. But I really love the environment that UTP provide me, especially the circle. I have a very supportive friends. I have a very supportive lecturers, and also my family. So I think that's what makes me who I am today.
I would really like to thank my family, especially my mom, because she really worked very hard to support the family. Ever since my dad passed away, she's been the sole supporter of managing the whole family. I still can't imagine how she managed to do that all by herself. So yeah, I'm really grateful to her, and I look forward to giving back to her.
Or the people that I want to thank the most would be my parents, because they sacrificed a lot for me to be here today, and they always taught me, and they are still teaching me to be humble all the times. When we are achieving something great, we have to be humble. When we are getting straight with a lot of challenges, we still have to remain hopeful. So they did taught me a lot of life lessons, so I'm very grateful for that.
Lecturer that always in my heart, which is Sir Sapuniza, because he always helped me whenever I feel very down. He also was my FYP supervisor, and he always let me know if there's any competition, because he knows that I'm one of the competition hunters. So I'll be the first volunteer to represent my Computer Information Science department for that.
Mr. Nordin Abdul Latif from UTP Performing Arts Group, or we call him as Cik Nino, has also taught me a lot of things. Other than just being a graduate or a chemical engineering student, he actually passed down a lot of knowledge in performing arts. So I've gotten a lot of opportunities from this group, UTP Performing Arts Group, where I get to represent Malaysia to many countries, South Korea, Thailand, and I got to receive some award from the Ministry of Education Malaysia.
So I think UTP in me, hashtag, really make me a better person. I think UTP always been famous with the industrial exposure towards their students. Whenever I go out and I say I'm from UTP, they will say, wow, you're very good, I think, because all the UTP students that I met has a very good potential and talents.
The hashtag UTP in me actually cultivates the sense of pride of being a UTPian in all of us. So it is actually very important for all of us to have that sense of belonging so that when we carry the hashtag UTP in me around us, we feel belonged and also engaged. And also from there we get to engage with people from all sorts of backgrounds. We actually get to promote UTP and we as the ambassador will bring UTP to a greater heights if possible.
UTP in me is a reminder of my roots back in UTP. It not only connects my friends, our batch, our classmates, but it connects every single alumni who has walked through the same journey as us. So we should be proud to be part of UTP, and wherever we go, we support each other. That's UTP in me for me.
Pengisytiharan penangguhan Majlis Convocation Universiti Teknologi Petronas kali ke-20 oleh Yang Berusaha Pengerusi Lembaga Pengarah.
The postponement of the 20th convocation ceremony by Yang Berusaha Chairman Board of Directors.
Dengan sukacitanya, saya mengisytiharkan Majlis Convocation Universiti Teknologi Petronas kali ke-20 ditangguhkan.
Para hadirin diminta berdiri untuk lagu universiti.
Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the university song.
Luas bersama dalamnya bumi, mendasari ilmu ke akar umbi. Di dunia tanpa sempadan, kami berazam membina harapan, berpegang kepada nilai yang murni, kemakmuran insan visi kami. Hasil dituai berdiri sebelah dinikmati beramai-ramai. Universiti Teknologi Petronas, setiap warganya cerdas dan tuntas, berilmu, beriman, berpandangan jauh, di bidang teknologi berdiri teguh. Bersama ilmu, yakin dan jati diri, kami bertekad mencurah bakti untuk dunia, untuk manusia, matlamat kami sejahtera semua. Universiti Teknologi Petronas, setiap warganya cerdas dan tangkas, berilmu, beriman, berpandangan jauh, di bidang teknologi berdiri teguh. Bersama ilmu, yakin dan jati diri, kami bertekad mencurah bakti untuk dunia, untuk manusia, matlamat kami sejahtera semua. Matlamat kami sejahtera semua.
Para hadirin diminta terus berdiri.
Ladies and gentlemen, please remain standing.
Perarakan keluar Dewan.
Procession leaving the hall.
Para hadirin diminta tunggu sebentar.
Ladies and gentlemen, please remain in the hall.
Perarakan keluar dewan para graduan.
Graduates procession leaving the hall.
Para hadirin sekalian, pihak universiti mengucapkan ribuan terima kasih atas kerjasama yang diberikan sepanjang majlis convocation pada hari ini. Para hadirin diingatkan untuk sentiasa mematuhi SOP dan mengekalkan penjarakan fizikal sepanjang berada di kampus ini. Sekali lagi, tahniah kepada para graduan.